Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface video for a Jeep Wrangler MyGig radio. It's 2017 with the MyGig radio. And as you can see, this is our interface, but it's a T-harness. It goes to the factory harness. The other side goes to the radio, and that's the plug to activate the camera. It goes directly to the camera, no need any power or anything. And also it gives you AV input too, and this part doesn't need to connect to anywhere. So I show you how the camera works. By going to reverse, the screen shifts automatically to backup camera. Going back to drive, it goes back to normal. Again, reverse. Actually right now we are holding the camera at the front, but that's how it works. It's easy to install, and it's really convenient. So if you really like to get this camera, you can give us a call, or you can buy it online at 4x4shop.ca, or give us a call at 905-604-4294. Thank you and have a great day.